Welcome back to the Stocks to Buy Now podcast by Mirae Asset Sharekhan, powered by the Sharekhan research strategy of 3R, which is right sector, right quality, and right valuation. Today, we have an update on DEE Development. DEE Development is the largest player in the process piping solutions in India in terms of installed capacity and is a global leader in terms of technical capability. Q1 results were strong, led by execution of oil and gas orders. The OPM surged to 263 bps to 16% versus our expectations of 15%. Margins rose based on operationalization of their Anjar facility. Order book remains strong at rupees 1227 crores, and management has maintained guidance of strong revenue growth of 60% to rupees 1300 crores with margins of 19 to 20%, which is up by 500 bps from FY25 margins of 15%. We expect DEE Development to achieve a revenue and net profit CAGR of 35% and 83% respectively over FY 2025 to FY 2027. At the CMP, the stock is trading at a PE of 16x and 13x its FY 2026 E and FY 2027 E EPS, presenting an attractive investment opportunity. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.